Hello our audience in our channel Learn Cooking. Today we'll do a snack or sweet food. It's how to make popcorn with coriander and salt. I have some of popcorn, salt, coriander and corn oil. I put the corn oil on a hot pan. I put the salt and some of coriander, some with the oil and some at the end. I put the salt and some of coriander. Then I put the popcorn. After the oil heat, I put the popcorn and I cover the pan. You can hear now you will notice what happened to the popcorn. Now I cover the pan and leave it for 2 minutes. After it finished, I put some coriander on the top and I put it in another pot. Finally, you can try it and you will notice it's have a nice taste. Please, if you like the video, subscribe the channel, and I enjoy you like the video. Thank you.